My dear friends, in this video, I'm going to show you how I was able to make $3,600 profit within few minutes by using a simple strategy, and I was able to achieve 100% win rate. And everything I'm going to show you in this video so that you can understand it and implement it right after watching this video. So now without doing any delay, let's get into our core topic. Firstly, you just need to make all of this currency pair favorite. Just make this yellow and it will appear at here. Once you do this much, then you need to select the candlestick time frame as 10. That means each of these candles are forming in 10-second time frame. Now next thing you need to do is, if it is flag at here, make it clock and then click on here and select S5 and increase it to 10. That means your trading time frame is also going to be of 10 seconds. And you can decide the amount that you want to invest in one trade. Now once you do everything, now you need to implement one indicator that is called super trend. Just click on the super trend and everything is fine. You don't need to make any changes to this super trend. Now the strategy is extremely simple. Whenever you see this kind of higher, then you don't make any trade. But whenever you see lower and market is sharply falling down, at that time you can make trade by clicking on lower. Now let's say you are in this currency pair and it is saying higher. Don't make trade at here. Just go to another currency pair, and if it is saying lower and market is trying to go low, just make trade by clicking on lower. Don't think much. Once this trade is closed, then go to another currency pair. If it is saying lower, directly make trade by clicking on lower. Once this trade is closed, go to another currency pair. If it is saying lower, and if you think this currency pair is a little bit doubtful, and if it is not sharply falling down, then you can ignore it. But you can always take risk by making trade by clicking on lower. But in this kind of market, the chances of your trade going wrong is extremely high. But in the case of this kind of free fall, your chances of trade going right is extremely high. So you need to analyze the situation by yourself and don't just solely depend on the strategy. I was able to achieve the 100% win rate. That doesn't mean you are also going to achieve the 100% win rate. Okay, so be very careful. Firstly, test this strategy in your demo account, and if it is working at that real time when you are testing in demo account, then exactly at that time you switch to your real account and start making trades. Now what I will do is I'll keep quiet and show you the exact video where I was able to achieve 100% win rate and make $3,600 in profit within few minutes. So watch that video very carefully.